Hello? Have I caught you in the middle of something, mister? Hello? What were you doing? Really? And what were you doing? Were you helping or watching? What you doing, Pete? You've got a bit of a project there, Mark. It's alright, carry on. Don't mind us. You know, if you're caught trying to escape, you can be shot. Did you talk him into this? Go away, you turd burglar. Come on, mate, it's about Pete. Please, back off. Carry on, Peter, carry on. I've put you off, haven't I? Right. Alright, well you keep at it and I'll come and check on you later.